Hola and welcome to the channel. Today I have a quick tutorial for you. I want to show you how to remove the policy links from the bottom of your checkout page should you want to do that. Okay, so right here I have 5 policies. So I'm going to remove 2 of them so that you can see this in action. Okay, so we're going to remove the terms of service and the contact information. So we're going to head over to our dashboard and we're going to go into our settings and then our policies. And these are the 5 policies that you see in the checkout. You have the return, privacy policy, terms of service, shipping, and contact information. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the contact information. And it's just as simple as just deleting the information from here. And the same thing here, you can just copy and delete this information. But before you do that, make sure that you copy and paste this into another file so that you can use it. Because you need to create a page for your terms of service. Depending on what type of business you have, you're going to need a terms of service on your website. So if you don't want it to show up on your checkout page, we have to create a page for it so that you have that link at the bottom of your footer. And I'm going to show you how to do that in just a moment. Now, depending on where you're located, you're also going to need your privacy policy and your return policy. Depending on the country that you are doing business, it is mandatory that you have that. So yes, we go ahead and remove it from down here, but I copy and paste all of this information in a different file because we have to create a page for it because it has to be on your footer on your website. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the terms of service. All right, and then go ahead and save those changes. Let's head over to our checkout page. Let's refresh. All right, and here the 2 are gone. We don't need the contact information, but we do need the terms of service in the footer. So let's go ahead and add that because now it's no longer there. So here is the footer. Now I do have my privacy policy and my terms of conditions here. So if you want to learn how to bring these links down here to this copyright section, I'll link the video up above so that you can go watch that next. So let's go ahead and create a page so we can add the terms of service in the customer support area. Now, if I click on my terms of service, it's not going to go anywhere because I deleted the page. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a page for my terms of service. So let's head back to the dashboard. We're going to go onto your online store. We're going to go to pages. Right, and we're going to go to add a page, and then we're going to paste the terms of service here. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and name this terms of service, and then let's go ahead and save that. So now my terms of service is there. Now I have to create a link for it. So let's head over to our navigation. We're going to go to our footer menu, and we're going to add it right here. So what I'm going to do here, so instead of going to the policies, now I'm going to go to pages because that's where it's located. And then my terms of service is right here. So we're going to go ahead and add that. Save it. Let's refresh. And there is my terms of service. Okay, so we took it out from one page and added it over here. All right, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, my friends, adios.